Welcome to Alpha English Learning.
Listen, learn, and improve your English effortlessly.
Hello, my wonderful English learners. Welcome back to Alpha English Learning. I'm Emily, and I am so excited to see you here today with a new video. Today's session is very special. Why? Because we're not just practicing sentences, we're practicing real conversations. We're going to master 150 essential questions and their perfect answers, the ones you'll use every single day in real English conversations. This is the most practical lesson you'll have this week. Are you ready to sound like a native English speaker? Let's transform your English together. Now, listen carefully because today's method is slightly different and very powerful. Let's begin.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
Are you busy?
Yes, I am a little busy.
How was your day?
It was good, thank you.
Do you need help?
No, I am fine, thank you.
What time is it?
It is 3 o'clock.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
Let's eat.
Okay, let's go.
What is this?
This is a book.
Where is your house?
My house is near the park.
Do you like tea?
Yes, I like tea.
Do you like coffee?
No, I don't like coffee.
Are you sleepy?
Yes, a little.
Do you have a pen?
Yes, I have a pen.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Are you free now?
Yes, I am free.
What do you want to do?
I want to go for a walk.
Where are you going?
I am going to the market.
Can I come with you?
Yes, sure.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
What is your favorite food?
I like pizza.
Do you play cricket?
Yes, I play cricket.
What is your favorite sport?
I like football.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Are you married?
No, I am single.
Do you have children?
No, I don't have children.
What is your father's name?
His name is John.
What is your mother's name?
Her name is Mary.
Where do you work?
I work in a school.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a car.
Is it raining?
Yes, it is raining.
Do you like rain?
Yes, I love rain.
Is it cold today?
Yes, it is very cold.
Do you have a jacket?
Yes, I have one.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I need water.
Let's sit here.
Okay, good idea.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am happy.
Are you sad?
No, I am not sad.
What is your favorite movie?
I like Titanic.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can drive.
Can you cook?
Yes, a little.
What is your favorite place?
I like the beach.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like soft music.
Are you tired?
Yes, I am very tired.
Shall we go now?
Yes, let's go.
Can you help me?
Yes, of course.
What do you need?
I need a glass of water.
Can you sing?
Yes, a little.
Can you dance?
Yes, a little.
What is your favorite fruit?
I like mangoes.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I like them.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can ride.
What do you have in your bag?
I have a book.
Where is your school?
It is near my home.
Do you have a friend?
Yes, many friends.
What is your best friend's name?
His name is Ali.
Where does he live?
He lives near the market.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
Do you like cats?
Yes, I like cats.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, a dog.
What is its name?
Its name is Max.
Are you coming?
Yes, I am coming.
What's the weather like?
It is sunny.
Can you see the sun?
Yes, it's bright.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Where is your phone?
It's on the table.
What is your favorite animal?
I like horses.
Are you laughing?
Yes, it's funny.
Are you serious?
Yes, I am.
Are you sure?
Yes, 100% sure.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, very much.
What flavor do you like?
Chocolate.
Can you jump?
Yes, I can jump.
Do you like watching TV?
Yes, in the evening.
What is your favorite TV show?
I like comedy shows.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Are you new here?
Yes, I just came.
What are you doing?
I am reading.
Are you angry?
No, I am calm.
Is it yours?
Yes, it's mine.
Are you afraid?
No, not at all.
Can you open the door?
Yes, I will.
Are you enjoying?
Yes, very much.
What is this color?
It's red.
Can you clean this?
Yes, no problem.
What's your favorite drink?
I like mango juice.
Are you alone?
No, with a friend.
Who is he?
He is my cousin.
Do you travel?
Yes, sometimes.
Which country do you like?
I like Turkey.
Do you study English?
Yes, every day.
Can I help you?
Yes, please.
Do you have time?
Yes, a little.
Are you finished?
Yes, I am done.
Is this correct?
Yes, it's right.
What is the date today?
It's July 15th.
Are you cold?
Yes, a little.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, at night.
Are you here alone?
Yes, by myself.
Can you make tea?
Yes, I can.
Where do you live?
In Islamabad.
Are you working now?
No, on break.
Is your phone new?
Yes, brand new.
Is the food good?
Yes, it's tasty.
Do you like to write?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you have a watch?
Yes, on my hand.
Can you run fast?
Yes, very fast.
Do you paint?
No, I don't.
Are you in a hurry?
Yes, a little.
Where is your friend?
At school.
Are you coming tomorrow?
Yes, I will.
Do you read books?
Yes, I love them.
What is your favorite subject?
English.
Can you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Are you joking?
No, I am serious.
What is your favorite festival?
Eid.
Do you like sweets?
Yes, a lot.
What's your favorite snack?
Chips.
Are you full?
Yes, I ate.
Do you listen to songs?
Yes, daily.
What song do you like?
Soft songs.
Are you sleepy now?
Yes, very much.
Shall we meet?
Yes, tomorrow.
Can you carry this?
Yes, easily.
Do you watch cricket?
Yes, on TV.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you like winter?
Yes, cold is nice.
Do you like summer?
No, it's hot.
Do you drink milk?
Yes, every day.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Bread and eggs.
Are you listening?
Yes, I am.
Can you hear me?
Yes, clear.
Are you busy now?
No, free now.
Where is your laptop?
On the bed.
Do you drink juice?
Yes, orange juice.
Are you serious now?
Yes, always.
Is this for me?
Yes, it's yours.
Is your name Ollie?
No, it's John.
Are you crying?
No, just tired.
Are you waiting?
Yes, for you.
What time is dinner?
At 8 p.m.
Are you ready now?
Yes, let's go.
Is it easy?
Yes, very easy.
Is it difficult?
No, it's simple.
Are you sure now?
Yes, 100%.
Shall we start?
Yes, start now.